Hello students, welcome to this class. I Dr. Sasmita Panigrahi discuss today in sex determination about sex determination. There are two types of chromosome are present in our body. One is known as autosome and second one is known as allosome. Autosome means the chromosome which do not differ in morphology and number in male and female. Means the number of autosome present in male and female is same, whereas allosome, also known as sex chromosome, and there are two sex chromosomes are present in our body, that is designated as XY, ZW, ZZ, X0, etc. So sex determination is the process of sex differentiation by which whether a particular individual will develop into male or a female sex. So in most plants, in plant the reproductive organs are found in same flower. Both the male and female sex is present in same flower is known as bisexual flower or hermaphrodite. Where both the sex are different, they are known as, means female sex is differently found and male sex is differently found, they are known as monoecious. The monoecious plant example is maize, whereas the bisexual plant is known as hibiscus. Then difference between your autosome and allosome. Autosome. Autosome means the chromosome that do not determine your sex. That means it is only used for our growth and character, transmission of character in or our body growth, development. It is known as autosome. The chromosome number in autosome is 2n minus 2 and morphology is similar in male and female. That is autosome in both male and female are same. Whereas allosome, also known as sex chromosome, that determines the sex. So we discuss which one is male character. The XX chromosome is female character considered, and XY, the Y is considered as the male sex chromosome. Then mechanism of sex determination. There are three important mechanisms for sex determination are found. Main number one is sex character, number two chromosomal sex determination, number three monogenic sex determination, that is single sex chromosome determine the sex, and number four how environmental factor determine or influence the sex determination. Then sex characters. Primary sex characters are gametes. Gametes means in female the ova is known as gamete and in male sperms are known as gametes. And secondary, all genitalia organ is the characteristic of sex determination. In chromosomal sex determination, in a diploid individual, there are 2n minus 2 autosome and 2 sex chromosomes are present. For example, in human being, 23 pair of chromosome, that means 46 chromosomes are present. Out of 46 chromosome, 23 out of 46, 44 are known as autosome and 2 chromosomes are known as sex chromosome. There are three types of chromosomal sex determination are present. Number one, sex determination by allosome. Number two, diploid haploid system of sex determination. And number three is genic balance system. The most important topic is sex determination by allosome. How your allosome determines your sex character. In this allosomal sex determination, there are categorized into 4 parts. Number 1, XX, XY, female and male system. That means XX is for female character and XY for male character. Then number 2, XX, X0 In this character, XX for female and X0, 0 means one chromosome is deleted, that is determine your male character. Then number 3, X0 and XX. In this character, X0 is for determine female character and XX for male character. And number 4 is Z double and ZZ type. Z double is for female character represented and ZZ for male character determination. First, we will discuss about X and XY sex determination character. In this system, female has two X chromosome, that is homogametic and produces only one type of gametes, that is X gamete, whereas male has one X and one Y chromosome. In this male character, X is determined the female character and Y is determined for male character. Union of ovum X, ovum character X and X of sperm develops XX, that is female character. If ovum character is X with Y of your male character, it produces a male sex. Then number 2 is XX and X0 type of sex determination. In this system, female is for XX character and male is X0 character. That means XX, first X when crossed with X of the male, it produces XX, that is your female character, and second X of female and 0 of male character when fuses with each other, it produces X0, which determines your male sex character. Then number 3 is X0 for female and XX for male. This is very rare case and few species like insects and Phumia. The insect contains that X0 and XX type of sex determination. In this also, first X of female and first X of male when fuses, it produces XX for male character, and secondly 0 for female and X is for male. When fuses with each other, it produces X0, which is a female character. Then next, Z double and ZZ type of sex determination, which is mainly found in butterflies and moths. Female is heterogametic, that both Z double, both are different, so it is known as heterogametic type, whereas ZZ is same, which is determined, or homogametic, which is determines the male character. The male is homogametic and produces all the sperms of same type carrying Z chromosome, whereas female is heterogametic, that is Z double. First Z of female, first Z of male produce ZZ, which is a male character. Second double of female and second Z of male when fuses with each other, it produces Z double, which is a male character. Then next, diploid and haploid type of sex determination. In honeybee, the females are diploid. Means it is quietly different type of sex determination method. In honeybee, the females are diploid and contains 2n number of chromosomes, that is 32 chromosomes, whereas the drones and males are haploid that contains n equal to 16 number of chromosomes. Female is 32 chromosome and male contains only 16 number of chromosomes. So females are known as, main female is known as queen and others are worker. The females which feed on royal jelly develop into queen, and the queen is fertile with the workers. The queen produces haploid egg. However, haploid male bee produce haploid sperm by mitosis and by meiosis. So, in this type of honeybee type of sex determination, the queen produces egg. When it fuses with n number of chromosome, it produces 2n type of chromosome, which is a sterile female. So next one is Xenic balance system of sex determination. This system was developed by breeds in Drosophila. First it is discovered in 1922 in Drosophila. According to this theory, the sex of an individual is determined by a balance between allosome and autosome character. Here is the genic balance theory is governed by X by A ratio. A means your autosome and X is your sex chromosome. Individuals with index of 1 is known as female, index of 0.5 is known as male, and 0.33 is known as sex is known as super male. Here is the table 2n, 3n, 4n, that is your autosome number of chromosome, whereas number of X chromosome, that is your sex chromosome. The number of autosomal sets is known as A. The index means the number of, if the number of sex chromosome is 3 and autosome is 2, the index comes 1.5, that is super female. When your sex chromosome is 4 and autosome set is 3 and 3, so the index is 1.33, that is super female. But the number is 0.75, the 4n and 3, the index is 3. So this is known as below 1 is known as female, 0.5 is known as male character. Between the male and female is known as intersex. Between 0.5, 0.33, that is super male, and after 1, 1.5, 1.33, that is expression as a super female character. This is the genic balance theory. Here both the sex chromosome and autosome are dually determine the sex of an individual. So this is the sex index, number of X chromosome by number of autosomal set. The individuals with sex index is 1 is known as normal female, that is the diploid female XX, triploid XXX. Now XXXX is known as tetraploid. Flies have 0.5 are normal male and X0 is the diploid flies. Then comes monogenic sex determination. Here the sex is determined by single gene. In Drosophila, a transformer gene which is present on the autosomes plays an important role in sex expression. In homozygous condition, TRA and TRA is the gene which determines the monogenic sex character. Single gene determines the sex, not the two gene which is present in other system. A similar SRY gene is found in human. The gene is probably present on autosome and transforms the normal male, that is XY character. Then comes environmental sex determination. Sex determination in some organisms such as sea worm and horsetail plant is governed by environmental condition. In Bonellia, the larvae which remain free in the sea water and settle on the sea bottom are differentiated into female, while those larvae which settle on the proboscis of female develop into tiny male. Means here the environmental factor, that is pH of water, temperature, all these environmental factors affect for sex determination. Here turtle in incubation temperature of egg in high temperature, that is 30 to 35 degrees centigrade, the character of female is developed, whereas low temperature 23 to 28 degrees centigrade, the character of male is developed. It is the sex mosaic in Drosophila. Drosophila is small plies. Sex mosaic means combination of male and female character in a single individual is known as gynandromorphous or gynandros. It is the sex mosaic in Drosophila. Then 3 pattern of mosaic system, that is bilateral sex mosaic. One side of the fly is male and other is female. Antero-posterior sex mosaic, the front half of the fly is one sex and later is other sex. Then sex mosaic in patches, sometimes only a quarter of the body is male and rest, means 1/3 is male and other part is for female character. It is known as 3 pattern of the mosaic system found in Drosophila. In this way, I complete the sex determination portion of all the organism. Thank you.